price is $9.99. Cynthia, not up here. Cynthia. $9.99. Hi, Cynthia. How you doing? Nice to see you. Where are you from?
Santa Monica.
Santa Monica. What do you do?
I'm an unemployed office manager at a mall.
How old are your kids?
They're 12 and almost 17.
Oh, good for you. Nice to have you. Nice to have a mom on the show. George, you have something for her? She needs a new jacuzzi. I know that.
Well, instead of a jacuzzi, it's close. How about a steam shower and a home gym? First, MyBathUSA.com presents the Rainforest 78. This revolutionary shower features a built-in hot tub, TV, free phone, stereo system, and much more. And second, we have more multi-station home gym from Inspire Fitness. Features a 215-pound commercial weight stack and multiple isolateral stations from Inspire Fitness.
Oh, yeah. Getting pumped up. Getting pumped up. Oh, that's Daniel Goddard from Young and the Restless. How you doing? Kane. This is his character name, right?
Stay nasty.
Now look, we have a steam shower over there by beautiful Glenwood. Hands-free phone, stereo, steam, mood lighting, all that kind of stuff. It's fantastic. Not a jacuzzi. It's pretty nice. And then over there by Kane, we have the weight stack, the Inspired Fitness thing. And right up in the middle, we have good old Manuela with a price tag, $5,327. Which prize is the price tag?
Shower.
Steam shower. $5,327. And 3 phones, stereo. When I say 3, flip it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. You got it. Congratulations. Go check it out. Oh, Daniel Goddard will be back. I'll be back. George will be back. I'll be back. After this.